थोड़ा रिलैक्स होना पड़ेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस हो रहा है और सीरियस ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि सीरियस में फिर जब ज़्यादा सीरियस होता है तो सर दुखने लगता है, इसलिए अब थोड़ा चिल रिलैक्स करेंगे। एंड आई सॉ माई सेल्फ एंड आई थॉट कि तो कितनी अच्छी कितनी बड़ी बातें कर रही हूँ यार मैं, लाइक नाइस, बट देर आर डेज व्हेन आई डोंट डू ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड इफ आई डोंट शो the part where I don't do all of that, it will be really fake, right? So here I am. From the past 2 days I haven't studied a lot. I have been sleeping way more than I should, and yeah, so isliye I'm here to show you that I also feel that I can't work. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video where so that it isn't fake or it doesn't show that I'm just doing अच्छी बात है, ठीक है? So I'll just take you through to the next 2 days where my final is on 31st and I'm going to take you through everything I do. 5 units are coming. I have done 1 and 2. Third one I have done, but I'm leaving 4 topics because वो ज़्यादा नहीं आते और बहुत माथापच्ची है, and 5th unit is left and I've got 2 more days जहाँ पे I have just done it. I need to remember also.
आर भी मतलब रैंडम वेरिएबल, राइट? तो इसकी वैल्यू भैया टाइम वेरिएबल, सेकंड होता है कंटीन्यूअस रैंडम वेरिएबल। इस तरीके से इसके दो टाइप, इसका सिंपल सा मीनिंग होता है कि काउंट टेबल 1 2 3
2 hours later.
हौली हौली मैंने तेरा नाम बनाया, पहला हर बंदा मुंडाया। वाईफाई बंद हो गया फिर से। हाय, सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 6 राइट नाउ एंड आई बहुत PYQs किए हैं अभी और 5th यूनिट का कुछ बचा था तो वो किया है, बट द ओनली थिंग दैट इज़ स्ट्रेसिंग मी राइट नाउ इज़ कि मुझे डर इस बात का लग रहा है कि डर नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि जब डर लग रहा होता है यू जस्ट वांट टू स्टडी मोर, बट जब डर नहीं लग रहा होता है एंड व्हेन यू नो दैट इट इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी ऑफ अ पेपर, तब
Much later.
And at this point I still had a little bit left, but then I just couldn't open my eyes and I decided to call it a day and then went to sleep. No payega.
The next day.
It is the next morning right now and I've made my most important topics ka list because I feel I can't do everything and I just need to remember what I've done already. So it is 9:30 right now. I have done a few topics since morning and now I'm going to show you whenever I complete one topic and it's going to be done, and I hope I complete this by 2-3 so that I can do the remaining topics, emergency wale, and yeah, I get time to revise at the end.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hi you guys, it is 4 PM right now and I said that I will have to complete everything by 3 PM, but I'm still left with a few things here. This part I've done. This is left which will take me 45 minutes and then I'll have to do theory wala jo kuch short notes aata hai, that is left, and I hope I'm able to do this as quickly as possible so that I can revise and I can go through PYQs जिसमें बहुत सारे repeated या important लग रहे हैं जो मैंने नहीं किए हैं. I'll do that so that I pass this exam because it is really weird. I hate this. I hate maths and it's such a crazy thing that every paper like this semester I'm thinking यार पहले से पढ़ लेना था. Last semester also I thought that and before that also I thought that, and I know I'm thinking right now कि अगली बार पहले से पढ़ूँगी, but अगली बार भी यही होना है. पहले पढ़ लेना था तो नहीं पढ़ा पहले. पढ़ लेना था. चलो, I'll try to complete this by 5:30 so that I can do more. See you then. Bye. है रात के 9. It's 9:08 right now and the to-do list stands here. Only theory is left, as you can see. Said that right कि डर इस बात का लग रहा है कि डर नहीं लग रहा है, बट अब डर ही डर लग रहा है.
The next day, much later. 3 days later. 1 nap later.
You asked me how my paper was? No. I'm gonna tell you, yes. I'm gonna pass. And I'm gonna pass like this is how you fail. And this is where I am. Just pass. And I don't regret studying anymore because even if I had studied, I wouldn't have studied the topics that came in the exams. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm gonna pass. And especially for subjects like maths, I am like pass. Cheers. No one asked me this. And hey, welcome to Me 5. अब अगर वेलकम हो ही गया तो जल्दी से